Today Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro unboxing. Box looking same old Redmi 6 and 6A. It's red color box. Look box backsidey. Some specs here okay. Let open the box. Box front side phone. More small box inside. Free case. More some booklets and setup guide. More USB cable. It's normal cable. More C adapter. Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro design and color options have been confirmed ahead of its formal launch that is set for June 25 in a new series of official renders. The fresh revelation emerged days after a couple of images showing the iPhone X-like display notch on the new Redmi series handset leaked online. The new model is expected to debut as the most superior option in the Redmi 6 family that received the Redmi 6 and Redmi 6L last week. It is expected to feature a 19:9 display and come with a 4000 mAh battery. Alongside the Redmi 6 Pro, Xiaomi is expected to bring the Mi Pad 4 later this month. As per the renders released by one of Xiaomi's official Redmi Weibo accounts, the Redmi 6 Pro will come in multiple color options, including rose gold, sand gold, lake blue, black, and flame red. The renders also show that the back of the upcoming smartphone has a metal finish, while the front panel features a display notch, similar to the iPhone X and tons of existing Android devices. Further, there is a dual rear camera setup along with an LED flash and a rear-facing fingerprint sensor. The design that has been confirmed through the formal renders was previously leaked in a couple of live images and surfaced on a 10i listing. If we believe some earlier reports, the Redmi 6 Pro will come with a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It is also rumored to have 2GB, 3GB, and 4GB RAM variants and 16GB, 32GB, and 64GB of onboard storage. Furthermore, the handset could have a 12-megapixel primary sensor at the back and a 5-megapixel camera sensor.